I've got no control. You can tell them to shut up. I can't. I'd do anything. Right, shut up over there. You lot. They don't want to hear it, honestly.
Get on with it.
Okay.
Ooh.
Hello. You want to hear my poem? We need silence. Alright. Goes like this. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear, but Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. So Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't Fuzzy Wuzzy. That's rude. Don't like that.
Wasn't that brilliant? Ali, I don't think many people find that very funny. We found that funny.
They found it funny in Newcastle, alright, so...
Do you want to try another one?
You didn't tell
one more. Come on, one more. Tell you one about the dolphins and stuff, you know. Dolphins. Come on. He's not going to tell us the poem, is he? Huh? He's not going to tell us. I don't understand Japanese, sorry. What? Oh, sorry. Huh? Uh-huh. What? I speak English. English? Yeah. What? Let's get on with the set, sorry. What do you want to say? Huh? Konnichiwa! Where did that come from? Yeah. Let's see if you speak some Welsh, real Welsh. Good, I like that. I was going to speak some Welsh actually. You what? Are you throwing me potatoes? Sorry, I don't say my Welsh. I don't know Welsh. This is war. Anyway, this next song is about a ghost. Oh.